Welcome back, guys. Today we're going to go through the autosave functionality in CAD and give you some tips on using that. You can set autosave to archive your file every 5 minutes, 10 minutes within a project, and you can save it to a specific location, so we're going to go through that. It's important because if the power goes out, you'll lose everything that's in your project if you haven't set up your autosave or know where to get that file. One point to note is that when you close out your file, if you accidentally close it out and say don't save, it's going to get rid of the temp files. So the temp files are only there until you close out your project, whether you close it out and save it intentionally or unsave it. They're there just temporarily. So let's learn. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you a couple tips for autosave for your files to help make sure that everything gets saved properly. While you're working, AutoCAD will save backup files, temp files every few minutes, and we can adjust that time. Whenever you close your drawing, it will get rid of those backup files. So if you accidentally close your drawing and do not save it, all of those autosave files will be gone. However, if the power cuts out and you didn't intentionally close your drawing, then those temp files will stay there because they didn't get deleted by you intentionally closing the drawing. So I'm going to show you two things. One, the location where those are saved, and then two, how to change the time interval. So if you type the command save file path, it'll show you where this is located, and that's where mine's located. Kind of an odd location. And so what I've done here is in the documents AutoCAD, which is where we keep all our AutoCAD stuff, I've created a new folder called Autosave. I can grab this path here, Control C, and then go down and paste that in there. Now if I type in save file path, you'll see that it's now going to save these temp files in this location where they easily can be found. Then the second thing, if you go to Options and we go under Open and Save, Automatic Save, I think default is 10 minutes. Maybe you save that to 5 minutes between saves. Create backup copy with each save, and then apply that and save it. And then you'll have more frequent temp backup files, and then you will also know where they are. These files have a $sign in the file extension, so when you rename it, you'll need to rename it to DWG so that AutoCAD will recognize it. But there may be many files in that folder that have a $sign in it, so look for the most recent. When you're looking for a backup, look for the most recent file that has your job number in the file name, has a $sign in the extension instead of DWG, and then also has a file size of approximately the correct size. You'll see that there'll be many files that have a file size of 0 KB. Obviously that's not the file that you were working in. So you want one that has the appropriate file size. It has a $sign in the file extension, which you'll need to rename to DWG, and then it also have your job number and name somewhere embedded in the file name. And hope that helps. Thanks.